Hey guys, so today I'm with you guys. I got a Kel Tec KS7 here today. It's a 12 gauge pump action shotgun bull pump. Um, we're just gonna do a quick little cleaning on her today. Nothing too crazy. She's pretty easy to disassemble. You just got to take these two pins out here. So there's one here and one here, and at least on this one they don't come out too easily, so I'm just gonna use a little punch and a hammer to get it out. Not major. There's that one. There's that guy. Turn around. Pull that guy out. Pull that guy out. Now, this guy comes out just like that. Pull this guy out. So pull this guy out, pop this guy out. This is your lower. This is pretty much your upper. Now you're gonna pull this guy back. So you'll pull this guy back. This guy will slide forward. Just pull that out. That's your firing pin. Pretty simple gun. If you want, you can just spray this guy down pretty good. Take a rag to her to kind of just scrub her down. Nothing crazy. Pretty simple. If you want, you can pop this guy in there in the barrel, clean her out a little bit. Just get in there. If you want to clean the magazine up, you can just take this apart. Just be careful because there's a spring in there that's that can pop out. So you can see I'm twisting this guy. Alright, there's your spring. And pull that out. That's pretty much the magazine. Oh, that fell. And then just push this little guy forward, and in that little hole there's a little white thing. You just pop forward and it comes right out. I like to give that a quick little cleaning too. Nothing crazy. Just pop that in there. I also like to lube this guy up just to make sure she's moving freely. Just help her out a little bit. Spray her down a little bit. Pop her back in there. Pop the spring back in there. Get this guy. I don't know if you can see that. Get this guy. You just kind of work her back in there with the spring. Then you just screw that back on. Now the part I always hate the most is reassembling. So we take this, we drop it right in there, pop this guy in there just like that. So you want these little hooks. This little hook right here. You see that? You want it to line up to this guy right here. You'll see that little wedge there that it lines up to. You're just going to want to pick it up. Pick it up. It should catch. And bring the whole thing forward. And then once you got that, you're going to bring it all the way forward. So you should have the pump all the way forward. I'm going to grab this guy. You're going to pop that. I don't know if you can see right there. You're going to want to pop it pretty much right in between here. It's kind of hard to see on camera. Long things. There's a little spot that these two little long things fall into. You should be able to see it. It's just a little groove. Pop that in. And take this. Just take those little 2 points. You're going to pop it into that little bar right there. Then, at least on mine, I gotta squeeze these two metal parts in. And then she's good to go. Gotta pop these two little pins in. And that's all she wrote. Pop this back one in. And she should be ready to go. Yep, so now you have your gun all back together. Cleaned her up. And happy shootings.